My robbery viewers all over the world, welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. Today's airdrop is very important and I want you to do your own research, okay? Because I got this information like 2 hours ago and I decided to do this video so that we can get this on sale right now, and this is going to end by tomorrow, okay? This airdrop is going to end by tomorrow, so I want you guys to start now, okay? You can do your own research and we are going to make this money together. If you watch this video, okay, if you watch this baby BTC, you will see how I swap my baby BTC here. Once you watched it, you will see that whatever I drop here is legit and you are going to make money with it, okay? If you want to watch this video, this second video, you will also see how I have been making money with my strategy, and I want you guys to be part of this my strategy so that we can make this money together. So welcome to Online Money Hunter. So guys, I'm going to tell you about this airdrop and I'm going to show you how you can claim this airdrop right now, okay? This is still on sale. You can buy as much as you can and this is going to go live by tomorrow, okay? And you can sell it back if you wish. You can also hold it if you wish, okay? So because everything I show here, let's say 70 to 80% of anything that I discuss here always come to pass. That's why I want you guys to jump in so that we can make this money together. So let's go to the website right now. What you need to do, I want you to join our Telegram channel where I teach you the practical way, because not every video that I will be dropping here, there's some emergency video that I will be dropping on our Telegram channel, and I will also be dropping it in our WhatsApp group, okay? So I want you guys to join us so that you can get the information whenever I drop this. So guys, smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell. So let's go. Let me show you what this is all about. So we are here in their website, and the name of this is Pepe Cyborg. That's the name of the coin, okay? This is the name of the coin, Pepe Cyborg. So you need to come here and read more and learn more, okay? We are going straight to claim this so that we can be added to those that we are going to sell it any time from tomorrow. So let me read this. Technology is taking over, but there is one Pep that will lead the movement, okay? Including Pepe Cyborg, decentralized cryptocurrency powered by AI that is programmed to become the best meme coin to HODL. So guys, you are going to come down and read everything here because I don't want to waste much time with this video. You can come down and read everything. So this is how to buy it. Load up your wallet with BNB, okay? This is how to buy it. That you would like to transfer the Pep Cyber token, okay? The name of the coin, Pepecy. So connect to BNB Smart Chain, okay? Load. We are going to do this right now because I'm going to do everything. This is how to swap it on PancakeSwap. This is it. Go to PancakeSwap.finance. You can read through what you are going to do, the practical one here. This is the tokenomic. You can see it, everything here. The token name is Pepecy. That's $Pepecy. You can see the total supply. Wow, this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. Wow. So you can still go through it. You can still go through it. So this is the roadmap. You can see this is the phase 1. This is the phase 2. So they have phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. You can see everything. This is their social media handle. You can join their Twitter. You can join their Telegram, okay? You can join all this, their social media handle here. So how do you claim this? So you are going to claim this on pre-sale. You can going to buy this on pre-sale on pink sale, okay? We are going to buy this on pink sale. So how do we do this? We are going to click on this pre-sale here. Allow it to load. Allow it to load. So just give me your audience so that you can learn how to do this step by step. So this is it. This is it. So this is the subscription address here, and this is the token address. So what do we need to do? We are going to copy the token address. You can see it here. We are going to copy it first and go to our Trust Wallet, or we are going to go to our Trust Wallet. So we have copied it already. You can see it. So let's go to our Trust Wallet. To load. So we are in our Trust Wallet here. So what next do we need to do? We are going to click on this tray line here. So once we click on the tray line, we need to paste the contract address here. So once we click on the contract address, we are going to add the custom token by clicking on custom token. So we are going to change the network to BNB because this is BNB Smart Chain. So we click on this. So we are going to paste the contract address by clicking on paste here. So you can see that the name have appeared, Pepe Cyborg, okay? That's Pepecy and decimal is 9. We click on save. So this is, we have successfully saved this Pepecy. So what do we need to do? We are going to go back to our pink cell. Okay, so we are here in pink cell. The next thing we are going to do is to click on this place. Okay, make sure that website is pinkcell.finance. You can see it here. So we are going to buy, and if you notice here, you will know that the pre-sale is already filled up. Okay, this is the reason why you should rush now and get yours. The pre-sale is already filled up. I'm going to buy a $10 worth of this Pepecy. Okay, I'm going to buy $10 worth of it. Reason I'm doing this is that I have done my own research, okay, and I know that I'm going to make a lot of money with this. So we are going to do everything together. So how do we do this? We are going to buy like 0.05. That's $10 60 something cents. That's 0.05. So before we can buy this, what do we need to do? We are going to connect our wallet address here by clicking on connect our wallet address. Click here. You can see where I touched. So once you click on this, you are going to choose any of it, any one that you have your coin. So I'm going to use this Trust Wallet. So we are going to connect our wallet address by clicking on this select address. By clicking on this select wallet. So once I click on select wallet, I'm going to select Trust Wallet by clicking on Trust Wallet and click on just once. Allow it to load. So I'm going to connect I'm going to enter my password right now. So I'm going to connect my BNB Smart Chain by clicking on the first one. So once I click on the first one, I'll click on connect. Allow it to connect. You can see my wallet have connected successful. You can see it here. My wallet has connected successful. So what we need to do is to buy right now. Okay, I'm going to buy 0.05 worth of BNB. Okay, and that 0.05 is 10.65 BNB. That's $10.55. So I'm going to enter it right now. 0.05. So once I click on 0.05, I'm going to buy right now. Okay, so what do I need to do? I'm going to click on buy with BNB. I click on buy with BNB. I'll allow it to load. So I'm going to connect Trust Wallet again by clicking on Trust Wallet and click on just once. So I'm going to put my password. I'm going to wait for the call. So this is the total amount, $10.83. That's this. So I'm going to click on approve and enter my password again. Boom. I have successful buy $10.85 worth of this Pepecy. So I'll just wait. It's loading. So you can see that it have minus from my account. You can see it right here. This is the executed, call executed. Simple mean that I have successfully bought the coin. So I'm going to refresh this. So I have successfully bought this Pepecy. So I'm going to wait till tomorrow so that they will distribute my coin to me. Okay, I'm going to wait till to purchase history. So by clicking on this place, so once I click on this, I'll allow it to load. This is the purchase history. This is people that have been purchasing this. You can see it from A to Z. A lot of people have been purchasing this. A lot of people have been purchasing this. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I want you to rush now and purchase yours right now. Okay, we are going to make this money together. We are going to make this money together. So what are you waiting for? Let me go to my Trust Wallet to check whether the money is still there or they have executed my purchase. So I'm going to my Trust Wallet right now. I click on my Trust Wallet and I input my password. So after that, I'm going to refresh this or click on BNB. You can see it. Let me click on BNB. You can see that I have $8.10 here to show you that the $10 have left my BNB smart chain. You can see it here. This is it. 0.05. You can see it here. So tomorrow I'm going to give you guys feedback on my Telegram whether I have received this amount of Pepecy that I bought. You can see it here. This is the coin. Let me go back. This is the coin. This is the coin here. We have added it successful. This is BEP20. Okay, this is BEP20. So we have added it successful. So what do we need to do right now? We are going to be waiting on my Telegram channel where I will be giving you the update on what is going on. Okay, I'm going to be giving you the update. Like this is baby BTC we bought before and I sold it. That's where I got that 11.8 dollar. Okay, this is almost free of charge and we are doing the same thing again today. So what are you waiting for? I want you to join me so that you can make this money together, so that we can make this money together. So let's go. Smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell because I'm going to be giving you what will help you to make a lot of money. You can do your own research. I did mine. That's why I'm doing this video. Okay, so see you at the top. Bye bye.